So the logic for perfect numbers is like, suppose if you take number 6, the factors of 6 is, first write the factors of 6. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6, right? So to the 6, when we divide by 2, what will be, what it is? Obviously 3, right? So till to the 3, write the factors 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the second step, first step, second step. Okay, now third step, you need to add all this. So when you add all this, you will get the 6, right? So when this number is matches with the given number, like given, then it is known as a perfect number. Okay, so the logic is nothing but n by 2 up to n by 2 factors. When we add, if we get same number, then it is a perfect number. Okay, so this is the logic. Now let us do the program for this. First let us try to print the factors, first step. Okay, so what I am doing is, like, I am taking one variable and I am initializing a value. First let us add the scanner program. So first let us add the scanner lines. So here for factoring, for to get factors, what I am doing is, like, I am taking one loop, let it be for loop. Okay, so in this for loop I am initializing int I equals to 0. We have forgotten the initialization of the current variable, right? Like int n equals to 6. Okay, so till to the n, right? Till I less than or equals to n, we need to run this loop. I press. So insert this with the help of the if statement. Here what I am doing is, like, I am placing the condition, like, when n perfectly divide with I leaves remainder zeros, then it is like a factor of the n, right? So let us see the factors with the help of printing statement. So here I am removing this quotes, double quotes, and placing the I value. When I run this, so we are getting error. So let us check where we done mistake. Since we need to start from the 1, right? So when something of number when divided with the 0 leaves remainder infinity, so there is a no things like infinity in the Java program, so that's why we got the error. So again when I run the program, here we will get the output as 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, now we need a factors up to n by 2, right? So change here to n by 2. Now again when I run the program, here we will get the factors from 1 to 3, right? Now let us do the sum for this. So I am taking, like, I am initializing the sum variable at outside and I am declaring it with the 0. So instead of this print statement, what I am doing is, like, I am every time adding with the I sum place, like sum plus equals to I means it is nothing but a sum equals to sum plus I. This is a shortcut way of writing using arithmetic and combinational operators. Okay, now when I print the sum value, what will be the output? So it will be the obviously 6. So we need to check for the perfect number, right? Is the given number is perfect number or not? So let us place the condition before the print statement, like if the sum equals to the n, then it is like a perfect number, right? So give the quotes and write here perfect number. So if it is not a perfect number means in the else block what we will get, obviously not a perfect number. So let us give the indication like not a perfect number. So again, when I run the program, what it is going to show? Perfect number. Okay. Now let us try to convert this program to scanner program with the help of scanner statements, right? Here I am addressing the user like this, like enter the number. The enter number I am going to store in the int variable. Now when I run it, here you can see enter the number it is saying. So first let us verify with the 6. First let us verify with the 6. Now when I press enter, it is like a perfect number. Now let us see with for another integers, like another numbers. So let it be 28. So 28 is also a perfect number. Now let us change it to 26. It is taking time. When I give 26 and when I press enter, it is not a perfect number. So this is all about the perfect number. I hope you got the clear idea on what are perfect number, how to frame the logic for this. So if you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.